While within the environment, at any point you can hit the escape key to toggle the blade screen on or off. It is important to note that while the blade screen is activated, your character is susceptible to damage. On this screen, you will have access to video or audio options as well as the ability to quit the game or exit to Windows. Quitting the game will bring the user back to the start screen within Edge. Exiting to Windows leaves the game entirely. Hitting the escape key again drops the blade screen out of view. When you select the option screen, you'll see this screen, which allows you to modify video or audio factors. Clicking on the video options opens this screen. It isn't necessary to adjust any of the controls on this page, but it is provided for you for your convenience. Selecting the audio options provides this screen. Again, it isn't necessary to modify any of these values on this screen, but you have the ability to adjust audio levels for various sound elements within Edge. Master Audio controls the overall volume of sound while in the environment. Ambient volume controls sounds such as wind and background music, for example. Sound Effects controls the volume of elements such as explosions and gunfire. Voice Chat controls the volume of voice that you hear from other users, either through the radio or via local voice. Microphone sensitivity lets you adjust at what volume the microphone will transmit sound. This will allow you to keep the microphone from transmitting when not intended. If you've made changes to the values on this screen, click the Apply button at the bottom of the screen, then click the Back button to go to the previous screen. To return to the game, press the Escape button. You can interact with objects by pressing the F key when the F icon appears in proximity to an interactive object. For example, the hotel elevator is such an object. When you approach the elevator, press the F key, and the elevator button panel will be shown. Select the appropriate floor, and you're on your way. It is likely that during an exercise you may come across damaged individuals. Some are injured and some will have been killed. In order to determine whether an individual has survived an attack, pressing the F key in proximity to the character will display their heart rate. If the heart rate has flatlined, the character has been killed. If the user does discover an injured or dead individual, pressing the Y key will allow the victim to be moved to a safe zone. A screen will pop up signifying that you are transporting the victim. Your avatar and the victim will emerge in the safe zone outside the hotel. If you approach a panicked victim and press the F key, they will be instructed to remain calm and proceed to the safe zone outside the hotel. Finally, you'll notice a clock on the top of the screen that shows the exercise time. This can be used to synchronize activities or master scenario event list, MESL, injection points. It can also be used as a marker for the after-action review. You are now familiar with the menus, displays, and controls of the Edge platform. This information will help you be successful and stay safe within the environment. Use this information and go forth and do good things.